Hi, this is Andrea from Filmore. We designed and engineered our Girlfriend Menstrual Cup from scratch to suit Asian bodies, beginners, and also people who are always on the go.
This fold is called the C fold. It's called the C fold because you need to fold the cup like the letter C. Make sure both sides are touching each other. This is a beginner's favorite called the punch down fold. Use your index finger to punch one side of the cup down so that the tip becomes pointy. It is suitable for beginners because of its small tip, making it easier to insert. You can also do the 7 fold. First, squeeze the cup and fold one side over to the other. This fold makes it easier for us to open the fold once the menstrual cup is in. Next is the S fold. Like the name, all you have to do is fold the cup so that the lip of the cup forms the letter S. This method is rarely used, but hey, maybe this one works for you. You can also try the triangle fold. It's similar to the 7 fold, but you need to make sure that the folds form a triangle. The triangle fold makes it easy for us to insert the cup because it has a small point of insertion. This is called the E fold. Fold the menstrual cup so that the mouth forms the letter E. This fold is quite easy to do when you have a softer menstrual cup, which is usually made from medical grade silicone like the Filmore Girlfriend Menstrual Cup.